winch out. It's supposed to be 10 feet off the highway. We always know how that goes. Usually it ends up being a lot more than that. So we're going to flip on the camera today and take you along. Should be there in about 10 minutes. Well, apparently we do have mud in California. It's actually rained for a few days here, and we've got somewhat of a mess going. We'll do this little winch out today, and should be a nice, simple one. You might want to actually put a snatch block on there. Okay. Bring it on down, right there. All right, so Dalton has installed a snatch block, just basically to keep the line low. The truck should come out easy enough. The road this year, we have to go with we're going to go with a brand new wrecker. I'm not sure what kind yet, but you'll be the first to know when we do find out. If we have to have the DEF type units, so yeah, it's coming just like we want it to come, it looks like. Keep going. The first tendency is to go turn the wheel every which way, but a lot of times it'll just come right at you no matter what happens.
So on these trucks, do you need to let the winch go down at all, or you can just...
No, you can keep winching. It won't hurt it. You might want to stay back just in case. If it takes off, it could go anywhere. That's why you want to keep your customers out of the way, because if that thing comes loose right now, it could go left, it could go right, it could go anywhere. And we keep them over here out of the way. Always get a clump.
What's that?
Always get a clump of dirt.
Oh yeah.
Well, the tow truck that stopped and said we should close down a lane, what an idiot he is, huh?
Yeah, he's not the brightest train in the box.
Like, why would we want to do that? You want to hold it?
Huh?
You want to hold the brake? Yeah. We got the brake on part way too. The furthest it could roll, just so you know, would be back in the wheel. That should be good. So, any thoughts after that last winch out?
I'll see you in the ditch.
See you in the ditch.